All right, Garret Barry's Jig. Garret Barry was a piper from County Clare. Look him up. Very interesting. I'll play through the tune first, and then we'll go back phrase by phrase. This would be kind of beginner level. There's a lot going on in this little tune. So we'll start with that opening phrase that ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-ba-dum, da-da-da-bum, da-da-da-da-dum. That. Ba-da-dum-bum, ba-da-da-ba-bum. Get the melody in your head, right? Second phrase. La da da bum ba da 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 dum. Okay, third phrase. This one's a little easier. La da dum ba da dum ba da dum ba. La da dum ba da dee 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 da da da. One more time. Closing phrase for the A part. Again. Then we're going to jump off the A to get into the B part. So that's first two bars. First phrase, again, jump it off the A, which is the last note from the A part, into the B. And now the next two bars. That's a wonderfully odd phrase. La, la, da, dum, bum. La, da, da, da. La, li, da, dum, bum, bum, ba, da, bum, ba, da, dum. Yeah, that's an odd phrase. One more time on that one. Third phrase. So that one should be easy because that's that's the first phrase. That's similar to the first phrase of the B part. Closing phrase. And that's the closing phrase from the A part. So once you get to the last four bars, it's vocabulary that you already know. So let's try playing through it nice and slow. I'm going to start the tune on the A. That's not the way I taught it, but this is outside of the tune. It's kind of the entrance ramp. tossed in a couple of tiny little differences there, just to see if you're paying attention. Garret Berry's jig.